Yo YouTube, what is going on? It's Stay Humble White, and I'm back at it again with another vlog. Today, as you can see, we're in the water, we're at the beach. I got the jet ski with me today, so you know what's gonna go down. I also got my inflatable boat with us, but somebody punctured a hole in it, and I gotta patch it up real quick before we get back out. That water felt good. So I'm gonna patch the boat up, guys, and we'll go from there. All right, YouTube, so I just about started patching the boat. I used Flex seal tape. The instructions simply said, remove the seal that's on the back of this, put it on, and that was it. So what I did was I put crazy glue all around the edges to seal it off, just to be on the safe side. So that's getting situated. While that's getting situated, we're gonna take a quick spin on the jet ski once my sister comes back. I think some more of my friends are coming today too, so it should get a little interesting. We got the boat. You see how small that thing is? Wait till we air it out. You'll see how big that thing gets. We got the boat and we got the jet ski. Today should be so much fun. Look at the water, guys. Who would think that this is in Jersey? I feel like I'm in Florida right now. It looks blue, crystal clear on top, and it's clear. You can see right through it. Could be better, but could be worse. The last time I went jet skiing, guys, was when we went under the George Washington Bridge. Now we're down the shore, so it should be interesting. Tilted too low. All right, let's get it. Gotta slow down a little bit. It's hard to record with one hand and ride because I gotta hold on to that, but we're doing good so far, guys. Let's splash around and have some fun. drive the jet ski right up to the beach where your family's at. Can't get no better than this, guys. We out here. Alright guys, so we went for our quick ride on the jet ski. Now let's get to filling up the boat so we can have some more fun with the boat and the jet ski. Let me check on the patch, see the status on the patch. It's looking like it's drying. Give it about a few more minutes, throw another extra layer of crazy glue, and then I'll start filling it up so you guys can see how big my 6-person inflatable boat gets. Alright guys, so we're pumping the boat. There goes the boat. I think it still needs some more air. Yeah, it's gotta be hard, but that's the boat that I was telling you guys about. We're gonna put it inside the water and have some fun with the jet ski. This right here is a 6-passenger boat. We feel like 6 people right here, so it's definitely more than that, but weight capacity is weighted out for 6 people. Can't wait to get on this. Alright, so we got pumping the boat right now. It's getting there, it's almost hard, but still not there. Stinky, why are you running from the camera? We got Julius. Julius, say what's up to YouTube.
Hey, Julius, say what's up. Trying to be an upcoming YouTuber.
Pretty soon you're gonna have to follow Julius's YouTube channel. Don't get shy, yeah. I mean, so Juby's about to go for a ride on the jet ski. You ready, Boo Boo? Boo Boo, Marshmallow, whatever your name. Yeah, Marshmallow. What's up? What's up now, Marshmallow?
Say hi to YouTube. Hi, YouTube.
All right, you going for your ride?
Right here, okay?
Joe, you gotta watch out for that string. His first ride on the jet ski. Let's go check on the boat. Hopefully it's done by now. You said what, scaredy cat? You said what? You are a scaredy cat? We got Nico pumping the boat right now.
There, baby.
We almost there.
Look at his muscles. Look. How much muscles? Oh my God.
He said he got those from pumping the boat.
My boy came out here little, taking out.
Here in the water. Everybody's on the boat. Yo, say what's up, kids. Say what's up. Yo, we out here. Jojo's driving the jet ski right now. Look at her, cutting up. Whoa. Hit us with a little splash. There she goes again. That was a good one. She got us good, guys. She got us good. That's what it's all about. It was too hot to stay home today, so we came out to the beach. And the best part is, there's not so many people here, so we're practicing our social distancing. Oh man, there goes Jojo. Jojo's going crazy right now. She done did it again, guys. She did it again. Go ahead. She's gonna make waves. The boat is gonna be wavy now. There goes the waves. The boat is rocking. The boat is rocking. She gotta do circles around us. Whoa! I just walked right into that, guys. She literally did. She turned the whole boat, guys. I got it. You gonna flip? Go ahead, let me see. Hey! got that. Trying to pull the anchor, guys.
Not now, a little bit.
This water feels so fucking good.
Hell yeah. This is the summer tour right here.
Hell yeah.
Gotta be lit. Positive vibes, stay lit. Oh, she's trying to kill us.
Alright, that's it, Joe. That's it. That's it. That's it. Just chill.
Yeah, you trying to kill us, yo?
You gonna jump, Stick? Let me see you jump. You know how to swim, right? Alright, go ahead. We got you if anything.
Let me see time.
Let me see. Go ahead,
Let me see
Stick.
time, Stick.
Do it for the vlog.
Do it for the game, for the vlog.
We got her, man. Pop got her.
Got her.
Go ahead, Stick. Go, 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 go,
Stick.
go, go.
Let's go. Let me see some
Go.
flips. Let me see some flips. Come on.
She did it. She did it. I'm standing on the floor so you can see more or less how deep it is. Come on, Julius. Come on.
Flip, boy.
Come on, Julius. Come on, do a flip, front flip. Hey!
That's what I'm talking about.
Who's next? Who's next?
Hey. Hold on. Hold
Well,
on.
I look like the boat's going away.
It's going away.
Go ahead, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump.
Grab it.
Hey.
Yeah.
Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead.
Got it. You got it?
Where's that? I'm stepping on it.
You got it?
Yep. We gotta.
Oh!
We definitely gotta put more sand in the sandbag. Yeah.
Let's do it right now.
Because I'm moving it with my foot, and I'm not normally supposed to do that.
I know. It's sliding while it's jumping. That's weird. Come on, let's go. Everybody get back to the boat.
Back in the boat. Back in the boat. You jumping, Mom?
Back in the boat. Let's go.
I'm about to slide out.
Slide, 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 slide. Hey!
Oh,
She slid right off the boat.
Hey.
There he goes.
Guys, I am beat. So beat. Been in the water all day. On the boat, on the jet ski. Now we're gonna go back out on the jet ski for another little ride. And splash, because it's hot. It whipped. What happens when I don't got two hands driving a jet ski? Oh gosh. I love jet skiing, guys. It's a refreshener. Alright. I am out of breath. Get myself situated here. Find my hug. Oh, sorry guys. What happens when you're a big boy on a little jet ski? Well, it's not little, it's just low profile to the water. So the balance is like slightly off. Give me 1 second. Oh, we are on. We are on. Feels like a workout sometimes, but we're on, guys. Alright guys, I took the GoPro off my wrist. Now I'm holding it by the hand. See if I can while I do some stunts. Guys, I'm here with Nicole. Enjoying the water, the sun, the jet ski. Here, baby, so open up. Oh. Alright guys, so that's it for today. We're wrapping it up. I got the jet ski over there on the trailer. The car's all loaded up. Everybody's just about packed up and ready to go back to the house. Gonna go to my garage right now, drop off the jet ski, and then I'm gonna go home and get started on this vlog after I take a shower, of course. I hope you guys enjoy the content. I know I had, excuse me, had a burp. I hope you guys enjoy the content. I know I had a blast today. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment. When you hit the subscribe button, don't forget to hit the bell next to it. Turn on your post notifications so you stay up to date with everything that I post. Once again, thanks for watching, guys.